Kebeli pi baro syakatup Khubor jengi ke dbmnTv. Kimat bakong san mentag sengi kilong. Khubor Menteri Rangba ban pendep kloy kemadan pulo. Da ke umdi sedang tangon kemariang yukun benrio. Sam ke DDMA degi tiaria da jing mensau syaki volunteers. Bat lip ding electric ha west bat eastern west district ha ka arpuwe hadu arpulai terik Iaiong. Bat mintangin pa syaki Khubor bakam penya. Menteri Rangba ukonrat ke sangma ulalit jirip ke Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium bat ke first ground hamadan polo ha ka khat kendai terik Iaiong banyu imar khamat ye ke jingpen bha ye kini kimadan yeleka jong kanong ba. Menteri Rangba ula Khubor ban pendep kloy ye ke jingpen bha baro kenang bikisamna kinyo ban pentebit yeledi ha ke jing yeleka ibunjat. Ha ke juk kaporu ban numpentut iki program jong ki Iaiong Yakob ki baju pelong hakini kimadan.
Now come to see the renovation work going on at the JN Stadium, and from the looks of it, the work is going on at very good speed, and as you can see, the football ground will now be a natural turf. All of the seeds have been sown, and we expect the field now to the football field to come up with a natural turf. At the same time, as you can see, we also have new stands that are coming up, which will then enhance the overall seating capacity of the stadium. So we expect maybe close to about 30,000 capacity to be there in this field. And the entire arrangements and the way the work is going on, we are going to meet the FIFA standards, and hence this particular stadium and field, the football field especially, will be at par to host any international games in the future. Apart from that, the stadium also will have full facilities for athletics, and hence we'll have the track and field, as well as long jump and high jump and other disciplines also, and hence even the quality that's being maintained here for the track and field also are top of the line. So we expect that this particular stadium should be completed within this calendar year. We're expecting that by November end, and the work that's going on in the polo in the first ground, as you can see that we have put the AstroTurf already, and final laying of other materials will be done, the granules and other rubber pieces that are put in. We expect that this entire work should be completed by July. And you can see that there will be also a new stand at the back that will be coming up. So we will see the expansion of the stadium. So this is a upgradation that's taking place. As we know that football is one of the sports that our youth are very much connected with, and hence in the long term we will also see more stands coming up on the other side, on the river side also of this field. But apart from that, the government has also decided that we are going to now start looking at different locality fields, different fields in different places, in different towns, different cities, where our youth normally play football. And in collaboration with the community and the local leaders, we would want to upgrade these different facilities where our youth are playing. So we will see a large number. We are already serving in Shillong city itself. We have identified about close to 5 locations where we could potentially lay this kind of AstroTurf. So that process also will start very soon, and I expect that we should be having a large number of AstroTurf football grounds where our youth can then practice, can have matches, and that will be one of the steps towards ensuring that we are able to bring out the talent also and give the opportunity for them to play. So this is part of a larger plan. But this stadium is something that we expect, as I said, by the month of July to be 2023 to be completed, and we hope that we'll be able to start playing matches in the month of August, September.
Da kejingker do umdi hanong ba Shillong hakini kitayo kamariang kalasdang ban pini ye kidak kishin ba kejing ukun benrio hakini keslapar thai kanumlong shu kabasuk jai kumbalaya mat ye kisnem bat ki Iaiong balalit no. Kajing shit kerang jong kesngi, bot lang sekal air kejit bajur, kilasdang bantangon ye kipat pa klem da ken, la ki rius pa ni ki duk, ki start ni ki bed, bat kipahu ni kerdu. Kamariang kalapin ya ringkat lang salonsar ya baro ki jingtau ba im. Tang giding ki set haklau ki plung kisan de ki slajer ngam be ithiang ban pej hakapor step bat por janmi. Le mon ye kamariang penjot thangka ye ki klau ki betap pom pathar ye ki ding ki set penjot ye ki ki wa penlut put ya ka bam di ka apot sepsngi kam jungai shu. Kita long hakeleng ki jaka kilas dang ban rengat hadu bekinong di bat ki kali kamai sam haki ying briu kimla shu ban penbiang ye ki jingdawa ban jingdon kam bekirki jong ki patpa. Haba kita long kilas dang stai klempep kelak taru ye ki jing penmi boarding electric ba ki nong penyat ki hap ban sam rashan ye kini kamar badon kamtam hakani kejuk menta. Ko kalong ke jinggerku haba kawan biang por. Bat kalong ke jingtim haba ke Jylla bat katap lup ya kami mariang. Kiktin temen kila urlong tingkai banum kuslai.
Dia ngiruk ban yabe nyemyala hira nomor kadi tangan na kadau jong kalai Ndai bakabiang kalai tapi nyemda kata-kata than ikan dong. Kadi kawe kadi tanah kalai men ngiruk lep lain damit lep lain. Kadang nyemali isyo. Customer kila syo tunum ki pun menta ki hodola hisngi. Dia ngiruk larangin penbiang mentar ngimla hira. Inap sudah tong tahi. Imali kan no. Kumentar tingin mla syo ki ban penbiang. Ngin hap ya jadi customer kerja kumlong kumki permanent customer ngihap ban penbiang hi. Tiki basiwan kumni kumtur nginum la kan long ban be. Tan ki ba permanent ngim la kan long. Isnai
kan belum wan wat no nano sino kawan wat khat sini. Ndai penbiang ngim la kan ngim ba. To kan tadi bakali aku makin isnam berada lut siding makana long kam dak tak tan nomor ka ai. Cuba akan tamen sini akan tak ada mereka jet tempat dah. Komentar pada kalau Shillong palat pi ke abet season abet ya baru. Ledak ai kendia tu lo kan tak kan jadi. Baru ini yo orang tu nama ko bikin tu ba ajing tu mah. Kembang ya long mentah. Ndai mentah ni bong tam pengijet ta permainan kumno. Tamba iki ba hajan ngilak ban penbe ndai ki belak sejengai palat ya kamu lai tengi mak. Ndai ki bana mau lai ta bagi dang la ndai penbe hi. Lara kilak ban up, lagi bom lak ban up dan yang kenong mulai nama apa kajenjah ni senor nya pai mah. Ong le catur kaju hi le catur kaju hi.
Dese kan kong mentalite ki bufun menta kin yo lasanya lis ni. Menta bakalong ni kan. Ini jenjar pelat ya. Besok menta la Shillong ni punya. Kabun ha tamak kalir kelabun dapat. Kibun ki mulai nang keluar, mulai mau yong ki mulai stage pom dak beki mali sani. Mulai nang pedeng. Kibun jaka di tang bau. Yang bakat terkong pak benang kini teh. Baru di customer ani kila almerhi bagi nyawum. Sakawai ro giru. Giru jenjari bagi nyawum. Sakawai ro kalat di nakalat i. Kementas nilai sausin sansin ba mental alip lagi. Tengok tahi. Ani dem step teh ngindami maknaru minta bebun kali kemudian balik sekolah ini ro spotrip ngimyo ra. Lontar ya kakak ka long kamai kabun tamang benek emak. Kalau tak, terus nanti ani kedak kerdu bat untas.
Ke District Disaster Management Authority DDMA West Khasinews District haka khat khandai trik Iaiong kalasam ye kitiaria da jingmin sao bekirki shaki shispa ngut ki volunteers ki balasha pentebit haka AAPDA Mitra ya kini kejingelang sam tiaria da lapelong haka conference hall jaka Nongstoin College haka ba uba HK Thaba Additional Deputy Commissioner West Khasinews ubalalong ru Chief Executive Officer ke DDMA ulalong ukongsan. Hakani kesngi layadon lang uba W Nonglang Deputy Controller Civil Defence kum Nodal Officer AAPDA Mitra uba J Mautho DDMO DDMA ki volunteers ki nonghikai bat kiriu rangba.
Such as flood, earthquake, flash flood and so on. So it is our duty as Abdamitra volunteers to share our loved ones and spread awareness about what we have learned.
Last year, as we all know, we have been able to train 100 number of volunteers. We have divided them into 3 phases. The first phase started in Shillong, where we imparted training to around 35 number of volunteers. Then the second phase, we have the training in this Nongstoin College, and similarly, the third phase was held in Nongstoin College. So we have been able to train 100 number of volunteers. Many of them belong to the NSS, then NCC, and some of them are the youth from different villages on the Mairang and on the Mount Haration. So we have also issued, I think all of you have received the certificates.
It's not only with disaster management, maybe there might be some cases where we had COVID also last 2 years, 2020 we had COVID, and during COVID also Abdamintra volunteers can assist. So it's during any emergencies, we, the district administration, the district disaster management authority can request for your assistance during that any crisis. We have been appreciated by the NDMA and also the SDMA for doing splendid work. This is not the end. We will continue to meet and continue to coordinate and cooperate, and do not leave the Abda Mitra group also, the WhatsApp groups, because we will be needing you anytime, anywhere. So with these words, I would like to thank all the participants, the Abda Mitra volunteers who have come all the way from Kinchi, and all the volunteers from Northern College for sparing your valuable time to be with us today during this distribution of the emergency response kits. So I hope we will meet again, and thank you once again. Thank you.
Ko-office jangkatanat boarding electric Hanongston, kalapin benapat ba bakandon ke jingdo boarding ke ba arsngi kinthi ha West Khasi Hills but East and West Khasi Hills district ha ka arpuway terik na duk ke kendai beje min step ha duk ke kendai beje min step ha ka arpulai terik Iaiong arhajar arpulai na kedau ban penkhot ya ke 20 MVA transformer ha ka shispa laipu RKV grid substation nong penting. Executive Engineer ke MEPCL Rajiv Datta ulapin bena kilat pathai Khubor bakani ke jingpen khoi ke transformer kalong ke bedon kam kenang banum thut haki benai bandangwan. Ulakin tu ikipat ba ban yasha ekani ke jingdo ding electric habarok kishnong haki tei kisngi.
Received from the RE 132 kV grid substation, it is to inform all the general public that there is a major filtration work which is going on in Nongpendeng. So that major transformer, actually it is giving power supply to two districts, majorly the West Khasi Hills district and the Eastern West Khasi Hills district. So the power supply in these two districts will be affected with effect from 9 AM of the 21st April 2023 to 9 AM of 23rd April 2023. So inconvenience to the general public is highly regretted, and we will try our best to complete the work as early as possible. Thank you.
Ki kamera CCTV balapendat saudong ke atat jangka yeng meniba Catholic Cathedral halain kra ki lering dur ya we ubriu ubala swat man kapor ya ki kali ki baki pat riunget ki penyeng saudong ke yeng meni haba ki wan syakama sebat ki we ki jingle niam hakis ngiu blay. Ki CCTV kamera ki lering dur kat ba udang persyang bantare bat lusya ya ke kali Maruti da ke jingtmu bantu ikitiar kitar ki ba ulak ban jenrat kloilan ha kapor balingkot. Kinong pet ya kini ke yeng meni kilo ujor FIR shikibor pulit jangkalan kra police station bat ki jing thokit kidang ya chakmat. Bat pat ba achek ki basyang basa West Khasi Hills ki laraki ya kesengidap newsnem balaseng ya ke United Achek Youth Federation UAYF da ke jingkemen hasnong rengding. General Secretary ke UAYF Jimmy Christ G Marak ulabatai bat pensyai hakipat ba ikinong rim bakani keseng kalami perthai kalong banyadai kipat ba achek ki basyang basa hakibabun kishnong nagajing shim kabu jang kibriu ki badeban penbiang ye kijingerap ba kesorkar ka ai shikipat ba. Ulo ongru bakani keseng kepit ngor bagi pat ba ki deban yok jing don kam ke bagi don kam man kesngi kum ke elektrik ki dawai dashin kilat jing sumar ha kapang gacha bat ha jing pentre kam ye kilat penroi shnong bobon jat. Ulo ongru bagi shnong bagi achek ki shong kisa kilong ki beduk bat ki bedang saadin ha ki bobon kiliang nakata kadau ki don kam ye ki jingerap jong keseng.
UAYF ni Sumutan United Achek Youth Federation ni Jylla parang mangi lepas yung lupa Presiden Sri Jylla Jimarang dia dalam foundation yang mania ni bidung kami kira orang
Ani bidung ko Jylla Jimarang mo awa United Achek Youth Federation ni Presiden bawa Presiden jakor ek kampo kainga dalam tengah caksini ka foundation day ko na mania ngah ya mania ni sumayo sini pak
harus juga executive members sekarang dibaik harus semua ini materang dia akan harus juga ya ko hazar gini jidok ni April seni tarik ko juga ya United Ajak Federation ko juga bukota ya ko bukota ni mukswani ya area o mamun hingdachun ya ko area galchike dolani bijongo juga sambuatna aro songkono ko sambuatna area ko imukna regional ni kankare kai juga ya United Ajak Youth Federation ko bukota lagi club yang mereka ko pasakanti ko ani hatung mungkin betele ya ko agane agan ko ko betele
Amni dinun ko Jimmy Chris Jimara anga ya United Ajak Youth Federation ni General Secretary ni kampo kaina yan gani ko sam na khang ako jolni sadam dirang seoka aida wamang ni ganio angni kampani ko nang ko ya nga United Ajak Youth Federation ko tali dalos ni pa balsi ko mani nga bagi sudah ko lakina ya ko gisda tani ko lakiman nga songan tini bajolo dumupa lab sadam dirang ni tentang OSC association ba club ni member ko dalo kam semua senga dal ni sal ko sebagai manian baksa sadam dirang baksa sini belsus ni kampanye jamsa ba sang Khasinews ke picnic chak pujani man dalo UAYF foundation day kam youth gathering songmatan muksung ani picnic chak sab picnic chak na ni na youth gathering ko pa majulinga lagi dalo adita sadam berang sumpa aru na ge ba songni nokni dalu parang aru ya joldi wangpa pa parang adita sumpa chuk sini program ko pa tin jol picnic chana singa andaki dalo sini songriani ko agan ke semoje ada salgam ko nge nandiba dalo sini kafka ni rangko dasio adita khalata aru singa booklet ko tharia ko
Lai tali ki kali kentup ika kali kamai kabadang kiu niki than Krishnai Shetura kiletan ra hasnong bajeng doba not Garu Hills. Kinong shong hakini ki kali kamai kilamin sa. Kadaw jong kani kajing takho kalong na kajing penher palat po.
Longen thara ke sale mo ne action ha mobil ang bajukur ring ade longen taw mau ah tal mobile sal oh tali butpal ne ba mobil jukuran ka sungjok sai madana no sungjok ansira hajok driver khata hakon de driver de khatjok ये गाड़ी नंबर देखो सरकमन सर कहाँ बुलाऊंगे ना बस नुजो दे खन्ना है गाड़ी प्ले गाड़ी थो है ये गाड़ी थो बामो गाड़ी थो सकते या कोकोल बामो इरा अब नी अल्टो सरकमन ड्राइवर अंडे जानते या मुझे नम थोक थोक अंशी कितने सेकंड में तकने हम
Ban penne ia kasukasan bat jingsngan haki imlang salang hapading kinong shnong kathan Khubor Meghalaya Assam ki Deputy Commissioner ka West Jantil District bat ka West Karbi Anglong District kile mir jingbut ha ka jingelang ka balalong ha ka khat khandai tarik Iaiong ha DC office Jawai Nakaliang ka West Jantil Hills laylam do ba BS Solia DC bat lesin ram do SP uba S Sirti ka DSP kong si Lingdo ki Magistrate Deputy CM ka JHADC uba Laski Rimbai bat kiway ki MDC Katba nakaliang ka West Karbi Anglong laylam de ka DC ka Krishna Barua USP Indranil Barua ringkat ba Wave Assistant Commissioner Hakini kejeng kren mirjingmut kini kinong Senshar District lemenjur banang ni Shakmat lada pentrei kampen roy patba hakishnong Khubor in pentip markeliang Khubor District kenang bakan numi kenu kejeng perjingmut bak kejeng sengau thuk baklah pading ki patba lemenjur langru ban pentip Khubor jengki arteli ki Autonomous District Council ke JHADC bat ke KHADC baki dei ban yathu Khubor District yaki kampen roy baki pentrei kam hagithan bat kishnong Khubor Meghalaya Assam kenang baki DC kini yok ban batai bat pensyai Khipat ba ya kita ki kampen roy Baro arliang ki DC West Jantil Hills District bat DC West Karbi Anglong kilaya hap jingmut bantrei borba ban wanra ya kejing syongsuk kejing shngan bat kejing shania markeliang hapading ki pat nong syongshnong hagithan Khubor Meghalaya Assam
Polish World Hot i ha meeting menel ha West Karbi Anglong Iwan DC, SP, UWU Assistant Commissioner. Nah kalian jungi nilai download including ke Jylla District Autonomous District Council dulu. Di nilai sim ke Rai dan keren ke Longba. Kini nak kalian ke District Administration Joko West Karbi Anglong DC dan SP. Kin kendu ia gitu ki members ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Asia Kesmi. Kin batai ya ke Jingrai jadi menet kita ke Longba. Jadi lihat kepala ini bandung suonu ka jingya kenat ini nu ka kam ke ba manra ka makta ya ka sukasan. Jadi kita di kinra ya kita ke council kin ya ka baja khanduli kin sapenpau hi ka council ya ka taxation gate ba mendai banbu shu ham tu banbu no syak wi jaka ki ba ki hun ki ba jong ka khanduli. Ta sebelum kita aktif hi minta bikidan ki RD ni regional committees kawai Joko West Hills kawai Jongha West Karbi Anglong bede begitu kam kisarai sampai hadu kapuk jong regional committees ni mentang i pechua tangi ka law and order kanum don kanu ka breakdown in law and order kanum don kanu ka clash kanum don kanu ka jingya mensal ni jingya umslam kanu kalian ni pechua kata ni kijam kam jong ki jaka kita itu kisara yang siapa dah kau boleh kapur boleh syong di regional committees bang mendekan dalam regional committee jongka West Karbi Anglong.
Kelempung yeli akai Athletic District Level Inter-School Athletics Meet Arhajar Arpulai bala peniat the Office District Sports Ribhoi District kalasdang haga kat kendai terik Iaiong Hamadan Kurkalang Bhoi Rembong. Lepeli kini Kelempung do Additional Deputy Commissioner ke Ribhoi District uba MP Tongper kum ukongsan ubala penher ya kelama ke Tanat Sports hak jingdon rengkat u DSP ke Ribhoi uba S Paslen DSO ba Bobby Nongbet kinong hikai lembat ki pai pa ngisnong ba marjan uba MB Tongper hak jingkren hak ni kesngi ulakin tui gi kena bani shimenta hak ni Kelempung da kemensim bat ka akor kirang bat ki thele akai sports pakensai. Kani Kelempung kan net lai sengi lenter kat kendai hadu arpoi terik Iaiong. Kidon hadu lai pu ar teli ki skul ki bana them Ribhoi ki belawan ban shimenta hakani Kelempung yele akai ki kena skul. Ki jingya kop hakani Kelempung ki kentup ka high jump, long jump, discus throw, javelin throw, shot put, but ki jing mare 100 meters, 600 meters, 4 into 100 meters, but 1500 meters.
And more outside, outdoors. Much of the time is spent in your cell phones, in your own households, in enclosed spaces. And this takes a lot of toll, not only on your physical health, but on the mental health. So a lot of stress, a lot of issues come up in today's world. I urge the students here to give your best. Of course, everybody wants to win. Everybody wants to be a winner. But at the same time, you take this opportunity, this platform, to make friendships, to compete, of course, and to develop that bonding, that camaraderie between you. All right, the memories which you make in this particular tournament, these memories will go a long way, and it will help you in your life, and beautiful friendships, beautiful things which are gonna happen later in the future course of your life. So I once again wish all of you the very best, compete, but also remember, as sports person, as athletes, you should have a sense of discipline, the sense of sportsmanship, right? Mutual respect for each other, no matter what. Once again, I congratulate.
Co-Office Jongga District Sports Officer DSO Nongstan West Khasinews haka kat kendai terik kelepli perdaya ke 28 Chief Minister District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet Arhajar Arpulai. Ia kini Kelempung lepelong hapok kamadan Jongga Nongstan District Sports Association Hanong Pendeng haka bakidon hadu arpun riuteli ke skul ki belawan bani shimenta haka tei Kelempung mentau snem. Hakani kesengi peli perda ke Dr. S.A. Lingdo, District Medical Health Officer, West Khasinews District, kum ke Kongsan, harunkat ke Jingdon Lang, ke Kong Ballerina Seim, District Sports Officer Nongstan, kinong hikai ni skul beper bat kipai pak kini ke Shillong. Hakatai Kelempung lapharia hakilai teli ki kerdan bakentup iki kena ki bahapok kat prasnem, kat nriu, bat kat sausnem kerta. Bat dak itu ki Khubor ngilapoi syek bakut tat haduk bing desem biang kublai shibon.